Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 32 of building the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we're doing more wires. But before we get there, we'll look at classic cars and vehicles of the future. Futuristic cars that they don't look like at all now. We didn't really change the way cars. They got a little bit more curvy rather than straight. But there we go. The Joker's Revenge. Why don't you just kill Joker and be done with it? So much easier life would be. So yes, we've got the speaker and lots of circuit things to do, circuit breaker and LED strip cables. So yeah, let's get some more plugs plugged in and we'll be done. So let me clear this out of the way. Oh, next time we get some power. So I shall see you for the parts. Yeah, so we've got some interesting parts in this. I don't think we're using that one, but I'm going to keep it to that side anyway. We've got another connection, which is marked 7, 8 and 9. Interestingly, we've got a speaker, which is marked as 10. We've got two different bulbs, headlights probably. We've got an illuminated strip, like the ones that I use to light up everything, which is quite interesting, and a big switch, which is, I assume, a power switch. But those two we're not doing anything with yet. That and the speaker we're not touching as yet. We're basically just plugging these two into this one today. So we have 8 and 9. What's this? This one is 9. So that will go into 9 easily enough. Like that. And this one should be 8. It is. Plug that into 8. So there we have some lights connected, obviously to an easier to cope with socket, and some other bits that we're not using as yet. I shall put those to one side. Interesting where that's going to go. Is that just going to stick like on the inside illumination, or is it got a brake light? Or I don't know how big the lights are on it. But that's that. I shall leave them aside until we need them. Maybe next time. Maybe another time in the future. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.